Liteline's Fossil is an interior trimless steplight collection that seamlessly meshes into the drywall around it. This fixture is low voltage with Class 2 wiring and comes in 4 standard shapes: oval, square, and a small or large slot. Before we get started, there are some tools required for this installation: power drill, drywall saw, screwdriver, drywall screws, wire connectors. For your safety, this fixture must be wired in accordance with local electrical codes and ordinances. All work should be done by a professional electrician. To install the Fossil fixture, determine the location for each Fossil steplight. Build an appropriate frame to mount the plaster tile. Secure the plaster tile with 4 drywall screws onto the frame, ensuring the Fossil plaster tile will be flush with the drywall when it's installed. Please note, do not over-tighten when securing the tile with drywall screws, otherwise the plaster tile may crack and break. Run all wiring through studs to each tile light and driver location. Drill through studs as needed. Use wire connectors to attach wiring to the driver. Leave at least 8 inches of wire to allow for tile light to extend outside the mounting location for installation and maintenance. Use wire connectors to attach wiring to the tile light. Insert the tile light into the plaster tile from the front. There are tension brackets on the light to hold it in place. Turn on the power to test and confirm that all steplights are functioning. Turn off the power. Proceed to install the surrounding drywall. Tape and mud the seams around the plaster tile and surrounding drywall. Sand and paint. After painting, Fossil will provide a seamless in-wall finish. And that's it! Perfectly trimless steplights without the complexity of mudding in perforated flanges. For more information on our products, please visit liteline.com.